Hi, science classes. I went through the surveys. I'm not seeing a lot of questions about this week's assignments on earthquakes. So that's good from looking at the pre-test, the people that have done it so far, which I think is only about 9 people. Seems like you're understanding the concepts. Take a look at that calendar option if you need a breakdown day by day. For today, it does mention the drop-in hours from 10:30 to 11:30 in the morning, in case you had any questions after watching the vlog for this week. And then it mentions, and I am updating this momentarily after I post this vlog, the drop-in hours for Thursday for this week only are changing. Usually they are 2:30 to 3:30. That's what's on the calendar. Due to a variety of conflicts that I have in the calendar on Thursday on my side, both professionally and personally, I'm going to move Thursday's office hours to 3:30 to 4:30. So those drop-in hours are going to be available to you still, but they're going to be at a different time. I also gave you the option, added this in yesterday, if you want to work with a group on your choice board project. Drop back in, checking out one of my professional texts, and by a teacher I know from California, who I saw as a keynote speaker a number of years ago, and just trying to use some skills. You guys know me. I believe that Illinois State University slogan of gladly we learn and teach. So as I learn things, I try to put it immediately into my teaching. Not that I take everything and dump all of it in all at once. Trial and error, give it a shot, might fail, first attempt in learning. And so then we can learn a lot and go ahead and go from there. So I did put an option for groups in there. Those are posted on your HyperDoc for this week for science class. You do not need to use your group, but you have the option to do it. Groups will change for next week. And they are based on survey results. So in theory, those are people that have actually been checking into Google Classroom and connecting with things. And you should be able to connect with them. If you run into an issue with a connection with somebody, or you just have a group member who says, I don't want to work with my group, go ahead and let me know. Hey, we only worked with these 2-3 people. Not going to do any trades, but you could tell me, hey, this person opted out of the group. So that's the one allowance I'll make on changing groups. If you have someone who says, oh, I don't want to work with my group, I want to do it solo, then that's fine. So just wanted to put that out there. And I did mention that office hours are changing for Thursday. I will update the HyperDoc to show that change. And a lot of you have questions about what's going on with graduation, when we're going to return to school, that kind of thing. They are going to be doing some locker cleanout stuff next week. I'll check the specific details and get that shared out to you. We do have a staff meeting coming up today after I'm recording this, but possibly before you watched it. And so if they share out any information on any of those things with us today, I'll be sure to pass it along to you. Currently, my answer, and I don't like this answer, but it's an honest answer, is I don't know. And like I said, as I know things, I will share them out. That's not a secret I don't know, like, oh, I know, but I can't tell you yet. I honestly don't know, and I am just as curious as you are. So with that, I'm over 3 minutes, which is usually my goal for these dailies. Take care of yourself and each other. Stay safe. Wash your hands. From my household to yours, we love you, and I will see you guys tomorrow or during drop-in hours today. Thanks so much.